you are any honorable beside the enkomo botaye ni trimopo de na ya ejinja no ma otusa na mo no bi di nkomo pi na other related matters so yahwe etimi esi hu nkonwa nti no pay ye be kwakofa live feed ewo the forecourt of Ken City building anim ho etimi e de abro na 2 television so me di owo hene entwibu esi akon menu aba na nya akukọ ekuma so aba be cancer before ye be kon nsem no the work time nkomo ebe she nkomodi no ankasa ase na me no enche a motivational message was say a satisfied life is better than a success life. A satisfied life is better than a success life. Ubetime nya ohwanya sika enso nya somdwe enna. Sika bi wo a kwati kwan so na opay na wonya enti. Oda enna. Wa kwaji sika duro na yese di 15 cedis a day. I mean, nyansa be na sabi ewum. Wa nya ho tam atoto amanfo cars ya yetwi okuremu yi cars bi ba so bi obi adan ya yesisi okuremu wasisi bi. Nanso oda enna wontimi na okam na ote afisika nanso awanya no yese di 20 cedis a day udi mane broso a okra ebe firi onsam enye sika papa enye ahonya papa enye abrabo papa enti ene yenua baako we bruni efen John Hall ena ose yenkama obi ante say a satisfied life is better than a success life. When you are satisfied with the sika uwo na utimida FSN, you are a successful person. You have everything, but you cannot sleep. So, anopai me too for Eshe Unkuna Senkabeya. Be a satisfied person in life, either than a successful person without peace. Offer the ebeboa eno ye satisfied life na megidi se no ebetimi epijawo ama wanya wasomdwa no pe winning crashes ma mini umienu nyina ye de hihye hu nkran ewo Ghana's biggest and most highly respected political, social and current affairs talk show na 2 television the dialogue show eso ena ohwe nti ebekọ de bokrata no mu etimi ede amawo na yahwe the various newspapers in sema hodo anopai Oma chocho edi abansema running in the country bekum letimi edi amam ansana the honorable Ken Ababeka and Sabata Shen so by the kind courtesy Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa fi open phone atwa meka da semrante bi enam a ton phones no auto phone e ma receipt die enen kwanto kra eye to phone e be ma receipt na ho touch ma watimi asade akọ na yasesama na Franco kra de auto a and Tessa, your more discount before maybe obekubia any of our branches Ghana, maybe obekubia Franco discounter or any of the items a Samsung, Nokia, iPhones, a banner, a TV from 32 to 55 inches. Ninjano Franco Trading Enterprise, Edibemau, na umpe the tabletop fridge. Mamu ye duani amodi koshe nko for fridge mu. Moya boom koshe nko for fridge mu. Ukona on media, oka engo ubodi duagra enyi. Because one small sefana wabumu and we still call question fridge me call Franco normal tabletop fridge and bono eda form kama pa Franco Trading Enterprise say download your app or Google Play Store and visit our website www.francotrading.com and after 024 422 338 or from on submit my account 024 422 338 or 0546 133-188. Franco Trading Enterprise still France papa fi one other romanti ye the double cratem come about mami nuaba abnanya akukọ ekuma akwaba ene wo hye sea blue ni nose mask nso etuntum ni combination ni hairstyle as usual a different exceptional what the toto obi ade ho a enye yi anope mache
ye nua
bibia ye fine.
Oh, adom ne humobro ntimi wo ho.
Adom ne humobro. So be satisfied in life.
Yeah.
And a success in life. Emudi na ope.
Me, I want to be satisfied.
Very good.
Yes. On say enema hodo bebre wo ho no mo a ema satisfaction.
Yes.
Obi wo ho no mo a or you're very successful but when you're satisfied.
Maybe
near me who ne say a satisfaction ne say me bi na ebe so afoforo
so mo
enye me nko a enti se ma successful said dean na mentumi enya impact bia wo any other person so I am not satisfied.
So said the honorable Ken.
Yeah.
Ebi ni say obeya do.
Exactly. I don't know your friend is satisfaction. We no enye obi a why successful bia na etumi ye the honorable Ken.
Ebi was when yes ka umi adwuma kra ma obi. Honorable Ken bi nnwuma.
Exactly.
Afa nipa adwuma mu. Osabu so ya.
Amoni anwa ye san dia be go ha.
And this was not the first time.
Why yeah. I don't know your friend is satisfaction. What you see?
Wow.
Because Nkofu Bebe is successful in their respective areas.
Yes.
But omo satisfied. Because omo success no omo no enso obi aso. Yeah, media that is how I see
it. But then that is it too. And also that here because obey successful na ebi nso ni prebeso. Unya wasomo bi enso.
Wasomo so nyo. And never be say no senya nipa kono beje na ka cho say nyame nhira wo Allah nhira wo a. Eno ne satisfaction in life no aye ka ho asem. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum salam.
Say ye di sala.
No sala fonche.
Assalamu alaikum.
Nanso aje so.
Enti ya mamu nyina barka de sala. Why? Enim say akwantuo no na enye easy Ramadan fasting no.
To barka de sala, amaje so barka kadi.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Enti no ye ma ye nuano Muslim fo nyina barka.
Especially with Chief Imam.
Yeah.
Chief Imam so nya 100 years now. 102.
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah, when you 102.
Papa yenyi. Na me hira no.
Papa.
Chief Imam.
Me na da. Enti ye nyina ye be ma wonom barka de sallah na. Yasre Nyankopon se empire bi omoboy during this season no. Nyankopon tie no onyemaye. Amen.
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 And everybody work out the motion say na there na Ghanaian Times
Ghanaian Times ne kura me for Ghanaian Times na me dey sha say Ora Samuel Abujinapo ne mfonyini eda ha say de o trend pa chese galamsey kon no yenwie na o say Operation Halt update government won't stop excavator destruction as it fights to protect water bodies and forests. Alleged Sekwa killing, 3 policemen remanded again. Government presents 20,000 wheelchairs to PWDs and also no beach gathering, street carnival to mark Eid al-Fitr. And also show page 16. Enti ye kasala semi de memfa eno enhyase. Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council and omode kokobo abeyi. O say enuano Mozambique for moya konche konkro ni wiesa no a bon se na street carnival na ye bonnwom na ebinum kra wo hono mo a ombe ye o madwen se nko ombe ko beach kakra ombe ko akogada o since COVID-19 ti afedie obe srada bibia ni hono sa e wo se esie enti wo se bambofo o ma ye krado pa se obi a obeye na dwen se obeye sa ne de emra ene ne bedi se de se na efata na enroada na Greater Accra Regional Minister Honorable Henry Cote de Krata Pidra na wo chese wone Chief Imam Greater Accra Council of Zongo Chiefs and Greater Accra Imams omunyina hia ena omato atwadwene hunu ne se COVID-19 yade na ye konen koi enti wosre Muslimifo se enka emre bi atwamo no nka ye nigye pa kese se nko mo be hia mo no mo be ye carnivals ne ade but COVID-19 ti afidie eni so obi ayesa
okay
no gidi yes se omo ebedi so ena afei emfinfini ha ya Ghanaian Times mo say government won't stop excavator destruction as it fights to protect water bodies and forests. Na aban e de atwodwa say enkrofo mayo madwene se omo be se yensuo ene ye kwaye de enya de omo be ma omo soso ho ato wo mo enti na no ya na omo de asrafo ekobo mpempe e wo yensuo na excavators ne chamfa machines omo gi wo nsuo ne so no omo twagya tum man enkrofo bi ebonyo so omo akasa saa se excavators nge betumi dia ye bibi foforo enti omo sra ban se nka wonhwe ma wonum na eno ano owura abugina po kasa no o se excavators ne die ombe ko so asene che say wo de ko si hoyi nipa kwabranane foforo nso so besia akwakofa na wo de akwakosi nso kro no asonte no yese ne dia na jesa ti obi ene so eno asoso mampani abedi eche Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ejina Ghana ban na mu eje 20,000 wheelchairs every World Bank for ho na sa 20,000 you know omanfo asebi wo mo edidam ya wo hia wheelchairs no ena yedi ema wo mo eno da nchen ya wo mo de bi be ko ayaresabia wo manhwe lo ne ntwa so be biara se de be ya omanfo a wo mo ko ayaresabia wo mo hia se de wo mo tena wheelchairs ni mu no wo benya bi na we say no e automated o
oh sir
utumi mia bibi na eno ade wo ko na wo so pa obe pado utumi mia bibi na ye kwen 1 2
what change ya no
yeah
hey
yeah come on
e dey ko pe bi nsi oda achen ye nkokora
come pa
ti enyo mo ya nkwa na traffic mu
dabi
ukol my fear former president Kofo obi wo hopa uhu a otimi change GS na kama pa na akra ya no atetem
ai until one ka so person movie around o fie dia e de obekwa kama pa no akra no obi ka say we say dey age u hia license you know to me dia nice
there mo DBL no akọ register that's 2021 o munti munya be new number
enti enra
but a feature in register on
there feature dey come
okay ano DBL for you unya say unya ya na utwi
Pokwasi interchange 40 years 98% complete.
In fact,
project number inaugurating in July.
Pokwasi interchange ne dia.
Share.
Nano me kwayira oso.
Obayira go see me say no o kwakra. I don't know about Madina how we are this will do that so much.
In fact, we are confirm bayira doso.
But come pa. Biggest in West Africa. Yes, nyasam ketwa. It is a see idea what I say omo awia anesa ka 2% penti nyame ya domo a July omo bedane e de ama Ghana ban.
Okay.
Ghanaian Times actually had the sports on
okay. The Daily Statesman, the Bokrata NPP reinstates Kwabena Japan. It's a good news. That is page 3. Ex-UK High Commissioner to Ghana jailed for breach of reporting orders on court proceedings. The friend is Crane Murray, a former UK High Commissioner to Ghana. Now, Galamsey fight 28 excavators, 476 chamfines destroyed. Dominic Nitiu, Defense Minister, was addressing the press yesterday around 3:00 p.m. at the Information Ministry. And on this answer to John. Excavators 28. A treasure tomb. Chamfan 476. Oma say ni na. Ebi mo bo nyoso say na woka no. But ade ba kwa concern na me so me say ebi mo say yensizi. Yensizi a ho am na be hweso.
Ano ni asem no.
Omo mo hweso no kwa no e de mo excavator for ura no mo kwa nkai. Because odi ko see this to assembly bi DC bi di ko ega.
What be ko.
Mo nti yenimie ne enkofo. Yenimu omo. Ghana for omo nya brofo. Ti yes ye treasure to me treasure.
Yes.
Nti Kwabena Japan can a trophy penny de ma NPP or trockrata de kuma National Executive Committee the man the New Patriotic Party say sisi ade prodigal son kwa mo fa na form so nche no no mo recognizing as former secretary the ma NPP amanyoko no nti ehonsam ewo hase ya the Bokrata, the Daily Statesman, Ediaba. Now, wheelchairs, how can was government offers 20,000 wheelchairs to persons with disability. And on page 2. And to the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, on behalf of government, and I said, wow, do any be out to Media IFA. In fact, ye papa no mo ye no mo ye nua no mo amadi dem o me ni party say ya
ni se bibia si o mo kwan
dabi kra o say entina this over a foot bridge o mo ye no star no
disability friendly
yes sene be ya o kra no hwi na
obetumi dia faso
we say o chinyi 2/3 obetuma fo
oh yeah
we do mo we automated e o mo dey 2 say e kama pana Yera a Crane Murray, yes, or ye Ghana commission UK, I am senior OBC Ghana, or a baby a tremor. Now, yes, say a jelino UK for a jelino assembly, yes, or publish a mabia, or more accusing former Scottish First Minister Alex Salmond of sexual assault. I publish your dean any or mufoni keke. I won't say be a keke or Ghana Hano. Ye jelino nti me no ka say edna kwakwakotum or a 62-year-old anope double krata no e de ehonsem aba say yenkam obia ntibe nti say onim sa papa no so obesom Ghana penya isi me no ka say emra na di no UK die we former high commissioner ye jelino a eno so honsem anope double krata the daily statement e de ho amaniaba.
Okay. Ghanaian Times mensan ko mu bi page 3 ho. On say police fo bi e na ye bo mo kwadu wo se kwase wo mo ekun obi a oda cells e wo se kwa police station ho. Ye do mo kokogina court sunyane circuit court enra ama sesi a making esanse wo mo konkotwiri mu na me bosume de to so aduonu enum no wo mo ensamra. Inti Ghanaian Times obokrata ne de mene na wie. Ye menko the new crusading guide, the Obokratano eso. The new crusading guide, the Obokratano in the say 60 million Ghana cedis LPG investments in limbo. Marketers appeal for ban to be lifted. National security swoops down on 6 Chinese. Rescind your decision. Ghana Muslim Mission appeals to Wesley Girls SHS authorities and are exploring Akufo-Addo's commitment to education, policy, spending, and outcomes. And also, Salah Kweku Kamoni hot over fake disclaimer on competitor. And the big story, the new crusading guide anymore, and say on say. October bosome da neto so adrun October no mu e wo 2017 and Atomic Junction hanom gas filling station e wo ho ejato mu
there are some tree we come
up ye Mohammed Femo twene konyankopon fa ne kra nsie na enu nti no aban de tabottle so say obeye LPG outlet anase be bia obeton gas ya ene sa nipa kro no anase sa adwuma no e wo se wo twentwen so wo
okay
na besi sa bre no sa ban na ban de bai no one lifty enti LPG marketers ne che say sa bre no asasem ni si ye no na ebi mo ho no mo a o makwa akọje permit ebi ma gi MPA permit dada ebi ma gi Environmental Protection Agency die ebi ma gi Metropolitan District Assembly no construction permit ni ade nyina o ma giche but because say aban car say obi a o pese o ton gas bia wo memu ne ye pese ye san hwe ni bia mu ntino o mu nyina adwuma no aka ama loans o mukọje ye o mo de sisi sa outlet no ayo o muka
okay
enti o ma tro ho petition dia akọma Dr. Matthew Poku Prempel so for show ja ho de ne ensam so say o mo se no ada say unfortunate dey see ye wa atomic no but o mo hye ne bo se sa de na bi nsi biem ti o mo investment no o ma ye no o mo emma o mo operate ebeboa
it's unfortunate nipa ahwere nkwan so eno so mo yo mo de compensation bi come on na oh
enti o masema o mo de aba eno no na national security force so na o mo akọ asankragua ena China fo ensia emema na imam ye no o makọ akọkire wo mun na o kyerese mebosume de to sonson ya na o mo koye e wa asankragua ho na yesi asankragua ho China fo no o mo si hotel ene casino e wo ho o mo sa de restaurant kra ka ho ye fe no Zindi Hotel e wo asankragua enche kwan no
asanku okay
any nche kwan no so ho na o mo kyerese sa China fo no e ho no mo di sikadwa money laundering no mo ye wo ho e na afen so mo san ye drugs e wo ho no e na o mo san so mo ye gold refinery e do mo kwatena casino ho no bochacha sa obi wo ho no mo di nzika kotum no ani a na ho no na ya na mo twetwetwetu
no
enti police fo na che wo mo na nipa kro no a sa casino ni restaurant ne ye ne dia ne de esesesi a no kokumase enti on de o mo anya no na mom ne yere ya ye friend Zue Lian wa ena ya che no
ne yere no de
Zue Lian Lua aha ono ya che no o de meba
okay
na enipa nsia ya che wo mo no omunie
okay
Chem Guibim Ono wa 31 years.
Bim I did to do as
BIM. Nti e be kan say.
BIM.
Bim. Aha. Na Lucian Shu. Lucian Shu. Ono wa 36 years.
Okay.
Na Wu Sao Pui. 41 years. Na Yao Susan.
Yao Susan. O channel me.
Yao. Aha. Swazum. Aha, ono wa 44. Ena Zui Lian Rua, aha, mama, papa ne yere no. Ena Shen Jun Rong, 45.
Festival. Hey, Rane Yagobo.
Ezi police for the coyer, omo aje, omo Toyota Land Cruiser baako. Si council so e wa hanamo over 1 million Ghana cedis. Ena Mercury na omode say nsuo no na afei pump action guns no tuo no makoma kunsia na afei one side arm so ka ho 7 excavator control boards na we enso so ka ho etu aboba 8 cartridges no omoje na one laptop 80 phones na 4 iPads na omoje ni nyina no ne se abanse on transe ma China for megu ye meyimu no meye nya wo mo ankasa pe na Wesley girls ne Muslim nkoda ye mo fast ho asem se no Ghana Muslim me fast ni mpo ye
so we tisasa me nkoda fast ni we
nkoda de nkoda enti the new crusading guide the Wokrata ne de ne se mo de ba
Ghana's favorite newspaper Daily Guide and it was mayhem at Amanase. 4 fetish priests arrested amidst gunshots. NPP bites stubborn members with new law. Page 3. Soldier denies robbery story. Ex-minister validates 21st clinic on sciatica. Government gives 20,000 wheelchairs to PWDs. No, and I say Amanase. And no penny behe. Ewo a premantem ha. Na abranti ana for kuma ne foni da ho no eso nyam fi shedu na abranti bi ba kurumu a wai no se bodam ni bonana boys ne yeso mbe interrogate no tafu da mubusa asa nkomodie na musa no akwa no nye bodam fo to mu yeso mbebo no so menye bodam ni wa hye de no wai no bodam fo e na oba kurumu no se wakoto nsa asata na dwobe 7 to 8 e de mabofre yi akoda na foni da ho ensa no so aduro
obekuno
not knowing say konfo bi okrum ho efe no wazinga
konfo wazinga
and also on fan nyoma bi mrantinka o de akodai o de suan ma no a ne sen kode ne kwa kaso de ne bia na no amrantie no even jase hene kro wo Amanase no ni fie ahimfie mo se ho nyina se abrantie no komu pese o mo bunu kuno na nanam se muntimi famra enshem yema posi for mem omdabdabdabdab nana yema wo kwan tenu wo Amanase na nye asem ketwa enya asem ketwa kura wo Amanase mpatemu a anopai the Wokrata Daily Guide ede honsem abana the new patriotic party chese wo de emra foforo eba se na be ya ebe ensure proper behavior wo omo members so nti anopai the Wokrata Daily Guide krata fe to so miensa ena odisa amane no so aba na ukomu na kokata fe to so miensa de jombodu de maka ho asem enu amampania be de chinso de maka ne mu krata fe to so nsia ena ode story bi aba o say Sergeant Isaac Asare, a soldier who was reported to have been arrested alongside a sub chief at Chebi Apampam in the
Chebi
Apapem yene umantro ni
Chebi Apapem
Daily Guide for na say na Apapem in the Israel say I'm robbery be a course on mo de so mo bon say na oka ho o say onka ho nti de so bon bona any all set for Asanteman dialogue on small scale mining today Era Samuel Abujinapo Lands and Natural Resource Minister and one Krobi Asante Kotokohene opemso Asante Meura otumfo say tutu abebi otosuminu ene okotena se edi nkomo afa efoma gudi a yetu no kwati kwan so anope double krata the daily guide krata fe to so nsia amane eno no.
Okay, maybe the chronicle ewie na chronicle double krata no and I say you have performed abysmally. House of Chiefs tells Western Regional Minister. Now Western Regional Minister so ba enche. Almost you are performing abysmally.
Western
House
Regional
of Chiefs tells Regional Minister.
House of Chiefs emude.
House of Chiefs, Regional House of Chiefs.
Western
Region, yeah.
Kobi ochire da kumensa.
Almost you are performing abysmally.
Kobi ochire da kumensa.
Oh, they may read this story.
Read the story no.
One to me is a braggart. He has not fully paid my 10% ODK. We will keep on burning excavators. Niti Woneka say. NPP frees Kwabena Japan from confinement. Confinement in quotation marks.
Okay.
Now, story no page 3. Western Regional Minister Kwabena Chida has received his baptism of fire since he assumed office as President Akufo-Addo's representative in the region. What started as a meeting to welcome Mr. Kojokum, Chief Stancy and Religious Affairs Minister, and Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh, Energy Minister, to the House, to the Regional House of Chiefs on Monday, turned into fireworks when one of the paramount chiefs decided to put him on the spot. The paramount chief of Insien traditional area, Awulai Ajemfi Kwame, noted for his forthrightness, was uncharitable when he looked into the face of Kwabena Ochida and told him without mincing words that he was unhappy with his conduct as regional minister and that he had also performed abysmally as the government's representative for the region in discharge of his duties. Inside traditional area. I would like a Jeffy Kwame. I said no more can say or no, he is noted for his forthrightness.
Oh, no, dear. Nana, I would like was a Jeffy. Abena,
or say, the insane or my reason was that the regional minister sat down unconcerned at the time that litigation had engulfed the House of Chiefs, wondering how the minister could probably function when they, as chiefs, could not even convene a meeting. Oh.
I will lie. Nana. Abena, oh no. Just on the son, you may be so. Bombo to dear. Nana
Katana can chronicle say or no, there will be any says. Oh, no, there will can some.
We are wine. We are presidential
regional, you know, House of Chiefs, no more problem.
Yeah, over the election of the House of Chiefs president.
You know, what's being a meeting near the other, and so Minister no few. Oboye free taduku wo ho enti no no na
ojina so dey cancer
yeah na Dominic Nitiwo, Honorable Defense Minister and e ka say o say excavators ne chamfa na hie ne de omunyai ombeko so ahye
okay
enti sesi ameka say tisania paper bi de number ne ba ye
yeah the daily statement. The daily statement by. I
say 400 excavators and other mining equipment already destroyed.
Yes.
In the recent fight against illegal.
Enra, our friends, I'm sure for share more.
Yeah. And see, Enra, as one said, chronicle the by say, Chairman, won't to me say, or no, or J contract the fruit the keho. Any Kofi Akpalo no tria 10% to the amount. And then over the king so about Bontin said, won't me granum or on 310% to be Amfamano. NPP frees Kwabena Japan from confinement and also so dear. I can't want some data.
This is he's free.
Yeah.
You got Kwabena
Japan. Aye. And see, I see Ora Ibrahim Mahaman so. What be a cement factory and nano honorable Abonabaso. Yeah, once a sector no, you need Ghana for the sour Hontino. Nano honorable Alan Shematin Coho, no Abonabaso, say, why are dear?
Honorable Ken so say, despite our political
politics as some be ya DNA Yalbeka or your name, so honorable
Ken, and this is for your DNA. Yes. Daily Graphic, low rains imminent, but June, July could see downpours Meteorological Agency. Mrs. Francisca Mate, the Deputy Director Head of Research and Applied Meteorology at the Ghana Meteorological Agency. And now this answer me about to say, you know, saying can hear him now, and talk. But yeah, could June, July, mono. Yeah, has in Shubeto. And the government courts investors for more oil fines. And the Statistical Service deploys 80,000 personnel for census. And also a D Chochono.
Yeah, the kind
nipa. Ya kind nipa kan adan. Here say yes and say eboa mai hu nipa dodo wo mai mu.
Who development I
remember. I think say say bibisa nti eno so no pay double crata no e de ehon nsem e de aba a obo ho amane e na nipa empema de wotwe e na see EU modomo akọ NPP lifts suspension on Kobna Japan eno so double crata no e de ehon nsem aba identify prosecute sponsors of illegal mining Dr. Lati the leader of the Great Consolidated Popular Party GCPP Dr. Henry Herbert Lati. So kind of. Yes. And I'll say, yeah, identify nipa sponsor omo ye galamsey no. Na yentwe mo aso. And also ayensema no pay. Double crata no e de ho amane aba. Kajeji SHS cries for infrastructure. That is the back page of the Daily Graphic. And Wamanafo Apenkuro gets police station. And Wamanafo for Awadoma East District of Bono region. There's so many police station. Tebeboama Bambo ya yirim. And a Kajiji and so SHS fortress umuhia system no kase nipa wo school almost 1162. Timuhia more infrastructure. And Timori at the sede ato education minister enim.
Na Church of Pentecost he na almost prison na almost no.
Hey.
O adwira no people bi amfama.
People bi amfama.
Oh,
e bi am friend. Enye sure so my friends so also my friends am trophy.
But
e bi akọ publish ko be ka say enye sa na tie. So they have to invite the press.
Yeah.
Na omotimi capture. Back to the studios. Busha ene anopai ya tena say the dialogue shows we the work rate mo enkomo na ya hyase e de abro no nti so na the honorable Ken Asen Central MP also a philanthropist. Oye na do ye se ne da oye no no. Ene oye. But in Krumkrubia ene miamia e ba beche mo no we a donation of 2,000 bags of rice.
Yeah.
And we have 5 kg ni bi. And 4,140 bottles of oil. 1 liter ni bi to the Muslim community for Eid al-Fitr 2021.
Yeah.
Yamobunkru no.
Yeah, tiene say Asen Central na shebedweni honorable Kennedy Japan. Afibia Muslim for